Hey guys, we are going to make a seashell today. Here is an example of a seashell you could make. Let me show you another example. Here's another example of a seashell you could make. If you have a paper plate, that would be great. If you do not have a paper plate, you're going to draw your seashell. Let me just show you real quick how you're going to draw it. You're going to kind of put a rainbow, and then you're going to kind of have it come down, and then have it fan out, and then you're going to have another rainbow. And you're going to put some lines on your seashell. Alright? And then you can go over it with a dark colored crayon or marker, color it. If you do have a paper plate, okay, you're going to take your paper plate, and on one side you're going to have it come in and then go out, come in, go out. Almost like there's a triangle here and there's a triangle here. Alright, once you're happy with your lines, because you're going to flip it over. You're not going to have it on this side, you're going to have it on this side once you cut it out. So once you're happy with your lines that you drew with a crayon or a pencil or whatever, you're going to go ahead and cut those out. You don't have to be perfect, because remember, seashells are not always identical on both sides. Alright, and then you're going to flip it over so you don't see those lines that you drew before you cut it out. Alright, boys and girls, so now I'm going to abracadabra it up, and I'm going to add a little color. Poof! Alrighty, so I've added some different colors with my crayons. You can use crayons, markers, whatever you have available. And then I'm going to make some lines on my shell. And if you happen to have a spare piece of construction paper, you can go ahead and, you don't have to have a big one, but I'm going to just cut about 4 little strips here. Maybe 5, why not? Alright, I've cut my 5 little strips, and I'm going to take my glue stick, and one by one I'm going to add glue to these construction paper strips. I'm going to glue. Here's one. Might have to put extra glue on that tip to stay down. Here's the second one. I'm just going to spread some glue. It's okay if I get a little glue stick on my fingers. No big deal. As soon as I wash my hands or sanitize my desk, I'll be good. Alright, I'm going to poof this up. Poof! And there we go, boys and girls. Now my seashell has lines. If I want to take a crayon or a marker and make those lines a little darker, I can. I don't have to. It's my creation. I can do whatever I want. And same with you, because you're the artist, boys and girls. So here's an example of a seashell made out of a paper plate. Here's another example of a seashell made out of a paper plate. And here's another example of a seashell made out of paper plate. Thank you so much, boys and girls. Have fun.